Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer, A Time to Love, and an unknown brand stamping plate just labeled with Y. I'm going to start off with IMK Bio Base as my base coat. Here is A Time to Love by MJ Lacquer. This is just a stunning polish. So excited to wear this one. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. Once again, love, love, love the brush and the formula. Always do. Never disappointed. Just going to cap our free edge here real quick. There we go. So pretty. And then we're going to go ahead and do that second coat. And that just, to me, the second coat makes it just perfect. There we have it. I'm going to top it with INM Out the Door. I got this from Sally's. And we're going to let this dry down. And then we're going to do some playing. A little stamping. There we go. I am liking the Out the Door top coat. It's not the Pro FX, but it's pretty good. Here's my swatch photo for it on its own. And this place the plate just has Y on it. So I'm not really 100%. I've got my beauty scraper and my Monocle stamper. And we're going to be using On the Black by Base's Loaded Lacquer today. I did try to do this with like a dark purple, but it wasn't working out. So I just went ahead and went with black. So I didn't do a good scrape on that one, so let's try this again. I had to remind myself, just because you got it on the stamper does not mean you have to use it. So I cleaned the stamper off on my lint roller, and now I'm going to give it another go. There we go. And I like this plate because it's kind of got the yin and yang image, you know, to where you can kind of like reversed image for the other nail. I really like plates that have that, to where you don't have to worry about trying to flip it on stampers yourself and get it figured out. See? So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape here real quick, and I'm going to get up this excess, anything that's gotten on my skin. And then I'm going to run around real quick with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Get up any little bitty bits, because I'm telling you, that's all it could be, is itty bitty bits. Did not make a very big mess at all. I'm going to top it with the smudge free top coat from Maniology. There we go. And once that's dry, I will be using Poshe as my final glossy sealing top coat. Beautiful, beautiful. So I really enjoyed this manicure. I loved wearing it. It was not too in your face, but there was still a little something special. And I like manicures like that. Well, sometimes I want them to be in your face, but not always. I really did like this one, though. The base polish is just stunning. And there we go. Gonna cap that little free edge there. I did do my thumb as well. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.